Hi guys, welcome to my channel, How to Do 13, and today what I'm going to show you is quickly how to open a track in your timeline and also how to add a track. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a track in general, how to just open up a track in your timeline, which is down here, which is where you want to put your videos to edit. Not to watch, you watch up here and then you pull them down here to edit, yeah, your timeline. All you do is you get to the bottom left, right click on your mouse or your pad, whatever you're using, go to add track. As soon as you've done that, as you can see, a track will appear here. But another thing what I do now is just right click again. I'm going to remove track to start off with. Whatever video or photo you put here, when you open it, if you just click on it, drag it automatically down to there, your track will automatically open. Do this to spread it out so you can see. But then if say you want to add a picture, put a picture into there or texts, you know, in order to do that you're going to need another track. So you just right click there on the left hand side, add another track. So then when you add, say, text, for instance, text, press OK, it's there. Click on, if you can't see the box around it, just click on the text itself, on the 8, not the box, the 8-bit, just pull it down to the top, and there you go. Now that text will show up. Make it a bit bigger and move it, and that's just for text. So if you wanted to do the same thing but with photos, then just do the same thing what I just did, but just open a photo down there, right click, add track, and then add it to your timeline. That's it. So I hope that helps you out for today. Please like and subscribe in the comments. I do loads of tutorial videos, plus how to grow your channel, how to stop your channel from getting copyright strikes and warnings, and also other helping in general. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Catch you on the rebound. Bye. Dum 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 dum.